grab the pant leg, and I'm gonna turn. When I turn sideways, I take this foot off, turn that one over, trap his arm so he can't use his arm. You can also crisscross your feet on this one. I like to just trap the arm though, and I go back, and then I straighten that leg as I pull. Okay? So one more time, ready? I'm gonna open, grab, turn, straighten and pull. Oh, trap there. Straighten. Okay? And so Sawyer, you're gonna do it to Gideon. No, stay. Sawyer, you're gonna do it to Gideon. So open, grab, my leg should be over. And then grab the pant leg, turn sideways, and pull it, trap the arm, and choke. Yes, show me again. See if you do it all by yourself. So you guys be watching, okay? Ready, go. One more time. What's this choke called? Nice. Nice. Now you're gonna stay there. You go to the end of the line. Come on up, Lane.
You may not.
Actually, let's go by Rick. So you're up next, obviously.